Hi friends, let me show you this new dog car seat for small, medium dogs. It's a car booster for your pet that I received for reviewing purposes, okay? It's a nice gray color. You get all the manual and instructions to use it. You will create some kind of a canopy for your pet, okay? Let's put it together. As you can see, it has a nice look. It's like a booster seat for your dog. You have side bags to put your documents or some of your dog's treats or accessories. You have these straps to fix it to your car, and you can even leash your dog with this leash. So let's try it in our car. As you can see, it's a nice look. You can even hold things here. Let's try it. You use these special straps to buckle it up to your car. And you could even bring things underneath the booster seat. You could have dog treats or whatever you want here underneath the pet's booster. Let's try it. And you get two covers to replace it. When you want to wash one, you can get a new fresh one while you are cleaning the other one. So it's a great option. Let's try it. Ready to install it. It's so easy. This is to leash to your pet. This strap goes in the back seat and you tighten it, okay? Perfect. And you will buckle up this through these straps. So your seat is ready for your dog to go really comfortable. Let's bring Choco. We have Milo here. We're going to leash him. Okay. And now he's ready to go. As you can see, he's leashed, so he can stay there. It's a nice way of traveling. You see, the pet is comfortable. He can rest in the seat, and we can go together anywhere. Milo, let's go. If you have a pet that you like to bring with you wherever you go, this is a nice option. So he will be traveling with you comfortable. And remember, you can store stuff in the bottom part of the booster seat. Perfect. Thanks.